Hi, I'm Mark from Human Touch, and this is the HT Reflex 4 Foot and Calf Massager. This comes standard with the patented Figure-8 technology that Human Touch is known for. Where most foot and calf massagers tend to clamp on the ankle and pull and trap blood in the foot, this actually has a motion that goes around the calf, forcing blood back to the heart, improving circulation. You have extended height for maximum massage coverage, and you have a built-in control panel with 2 automated programs. Also, you have an ergonomic adjustable tilt base to provide the perfect angle for your foot and calf massage. And to help keep your foot and calf massage clean, you have removable easy sleeves that you can wash and clean and then put back inside your foot and calf massager. And lastly, the HT Reflex 4 Foot and Calf Massager has easy handles that you can pick up for portability to take your foot and calf massager to any room of the house.